Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Instagram Instants for DM quick replies. So let's get started. First, you need to know is that Instagram Instants is mainly for quick photo sharing in DMs, not a full quick reply system, but you can use it for faster responses inside the chat. So here's the correct way to use it. You gotta open the app and then you gotta go to your DM section. Here you can open any chat if you want to do so, and then you gotta simply click on this instant icon that is near the message bar. So once you do click on that, you can simply quickly capture a photo and send it instantly without leaving the chat. And you can use this as a visual reply instead of typing. Just take a quick picture and send it immediately to your friends or close friends. And if you don't see instants, you can update Instagram from the app or restart the app or make sure the features is available on your account. That's how Instants is used for faster DM responses. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.